What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Today we are doing a video on something I've wanted for a very long time and I've just put off. I don't really know why. But we're going to be taking a look at a jump pack. This is one that I got on Amazon on Prime Day. It's for, I'm going to put up specs right now, but it's supposed to be for some larger engines, and I think it's about 2,000 amps. I think it said 8-liter gas and 6.5-liter diesel engines is what this will jump. I'll verify that on the screen right now. But this is a jump starter by AVAPOW. I've never heard of this brand before, but it had very good reviews. So let's take a look at this thing. I'll put the price up right now as it is on Amazon today, so you guys kind of know what you're looking at, and then I'll put the link in the description as well. But let's do a little unboxing, check this thing out. I did take it out and charge it up about a week ago, so I want to see how much power it still has. Really, these things should be able to sit in your car for months in case you need it. So let's see if that's true, and then we're going to turn around, we're going to go jump the Grand Prix because that thing's dead, and we're going to move it into the driveway so we can start working on it a little bit. So it comes in this nice little zippered soft case. You open it up. We have obviously the alligator clamps, and I like these ones because you can access the front of them too for different types of posts. And I believe, I haven't tried it yet, but I believe this is a little LCD readout, so we'll make sure to notify you that you are connected properly. And then of course, charging cable. If we look at the unit itself, this one I thought was pretty unique. This is a wireless charging area, so you can charge your phone on there. I did say that this has been charging, or been sitting in the truck for about a week, and we're still at 99%, so that's what I like to see. You can see it powers on there. We take a look here. This is where you would charge it, and then it does also act as a power supply for a USB if you need it, which is very nice. Turn it on the other end. That's where you plug in the jump cables, and then it does have some lighting as well. So it's just got a solid light, some flashing lights, slow flash, and then off. So I think that's very nice as well. So let's go to the Grand Prix and see how well this does at starting it. So not the most accessible battery in the world, but it works. We're just gonna power here and ground to one of these nuts up top. That can only go in one way. When we're plugged in, you do see there's an LCD readout right there, and I think it's just looking to determine that it's been connected properly. Flip this around. One on power, and one up on the ground. Turn it on, and we can see we're sitting at 16.3 volts. So this is showing about 16.5 volts. I didn't know if the car still had power. So as you plug it in, it loads. Ground it. I don't know how well you guys can see this. Loads, loads, loads some more. So if we come up here, you can see 16.2 volts while plugged in, and we're gonna go start it. Like that, we're kind of back in action on plugger. See if we have a working alternator. Looks like we do. Alright guys, so there is the AVAPOW jump start box. It works well. The car started kind of slow, but it did start, and it was dead. Like, didn't even click or anything. So I think it did pretty well. It does have some cool little features built into it, and I like it, so I'm going to be keeping it in my truck and be using it when I need it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask below. Let me know what you think of it. And yeah, I'll put the link and everything in the description below. Feel free to ask any questions. I will see you guys in the next video.